Hey guys, I'm Carla Salinas and you're watching Daytime with Kimberly and Esteban. Today we're going to be sitting down with our friends from the Payne Auto Group and we're going to be learning all about the automotive industry here in the RGV. Today we spoke with General Manager of 3 dealerships at the Payne Auto Mall, John Barraza, who tells us although the Payne Auto Group is a huge company, he feels like he's working with family every single day.
With these stores here, there's never a dull day because we have about 300 employees and there's always something going on. And someone's having a baby, someone's getting married, someone's having a quinceañera, so there's always great things going on.
As the general manager, John tells us what he enjoys the most about his job is getting to know his customers and helping them any way he can.
And there's so many people who it's their dream to have a Camaro, it's their dream to have a Dodge Ram, it's their dream to have a Charger. And if you can make that happen and make it happen where they have a great experience, I think you're a customer for life. So one of the benefits about being in the car business is you get to make these dreams happen.
John explains he's seen the auto industry change and the Payne Auto Group evolve along with it.
There's so much industry that's coming in to the RGV, so that changes our customers' wants and needs as far as what they're looking for. Where maybe 10 years ago, commercial business wasn't such a big deal for us, and as of late, it's become a bigger deal for us. It changes so much with the price of fuel. When the price is up, you have a lot of people who maybe shy away from some of the bigger vehicles and look for something that's more economical, and then vice versa.
John tells us their Payne employees are constantly learning new things every single day.
New vehicles are coming out with new technology, and we've got to get our people educated on how to repair them, what to look for, and what we can do for preventive maintenance on these vehicles as well. So again, I think it's a group effort with working with dealer bodies and their manufacturers.
John works hard to make this an exceptional work environment, but he tells us it all starts from the top.
It starts from Bud himself. Just the attitude that Bud has, not just with his customers, but also his employees, just filters all the way through. He's very involved in the business, and it's amazing how when he comes down into the dealerships, he knows people's names, he knows kids' names, and he wants to shake hands with everyone.
So if you're looking for a vehicle, visit the Payne Auto Group.
Just come in and ask for the general manager. Whether it's myself or a general manager at any one of the stores, we'd love to sit down and help you out. I think you'd kind of be doing us a favor. We can get out of our office and go talk to a customer. We really enjoy doing those things.
For more information, visit payneautogroup.com.